Hello and welcome to SudoKanard. Let's move on with the last of the puzzles of this round that I created for the WPF Sudoku Grand Prix. It's called Extra Regions, and it's the last in terms of publications of solutions. So what happens here is that those staircases must both contain all digits from 1 to 9 exactly once. So that's all there is to it. And this is definitely not the best puzzle in the set, but I think it's still pretty decent. So that's geometry again. There was an over-representation of geometric variants, but well, never mind, that's it. So this 8 is not here, so by playing Sudoku it's here. We get a 5-6 pair here. Alright. Whereas this digit can only be a 2. That's a naked symbol. This can only be a 1 or 3. 9 and 7 must both appear somewhere here. So there's a 7 here, there's a 9 here or there. Then 8 is not here, so it must appear somewhere there. 4 and 6 must both appear somewhere in here. So there's a 4 somewhere here. That's Sudoku. There must be a 1 here. This 3 does not appear here nor there, so it's here. So there must be a 3 somewhere there. But let's see where 3 can go in this region. 3 is not here because of that. It's not here. There's 1 in the row. It's not here. It's not here by this 3. It's not here. So 3 in this region is actually here. And with this 3, we get a 3 somewhere there. But let's have a look at this other region. 3 is not here by the standard Sudoku rules. It's not here because of this 3, so 3 is here. So now we know there's a 3 here or there. And by Sudoku we get a 3 here. And there's 1 here, and I think that's all with 3s. 8 here, 8 there, so there must be an 8 here. 1 is not here, so it must be somewhere there. We need 1, 2, 4, and 6, so this is 2 or 6. And this digit is not here, could be the 6 somewhere. Oh, this is missing a 1, so there's a 1 here, and that's interesting because 1 here is not repeated in the region, so 1 can't be here, that's a 1. Now, because of those ones and this one, there must be a 1 either here or there, so that's a 1-3 pair. 5 is not here, it's not here, it's either here or there. The row needs 4, 5, 6, and 9. So this is 4 or 6. This is 4, 5, or 6. 4, 6, or 9. And now there's something interesting here. Those 3 digits are inside this region and they form a triple, a 4, 5, 6 triple. And namely, 4 is among them. So there's a 4 somewhere here, and that's not a 4, which means that 4 is here in the column. Now 4, 5, 6. So where else can we look for? 1, 7, 9 here, so this is 1 or 7. This is 1 or 9. This row needs 2, 7, and 9. This is not 9. This is not 2. And this digit does not appear anywhere here, which doesn't seem to be very useful, to be honest. Oh, but what is useful is that this digit here, this digit does not appear anywhere there. And it doesn't appear anywhere here, but it must appear somewhere in this shaded region, so this digit is the same as this one. So they are 7s, and it puts a 1 and a 9 here, a 9 there, a 2 here. Now 2 is not here, it must appear in this shaded region, so it's here, and that can only be an 8. The remaining values here are 4, 5, and 6, the values that are in this triple. So this is 5 or 6, 4, 5 or 6 here. Well, this one removes 1 from this cell, so that's a 1. And what's next? This column needs 4, 6, and 8, so this is 6 or 8. This column needs a 7 somewhere, that doesn't seem to be very useful. This can't be a 2, so 2 in the boxes here. This is 4, 5, or 6, and more precisely, this is the 4, 5, or 6 that is neither of those, so it's the same as this. So it's not a 4. This here is 4 or 6. What do we have here? 1, 4, 5, and 6. So here we get a 1, 4, 5, 6 quadruple. 1 is not here, so it's here. And here we get another 4, 5, 6 triple, in which 4 is here, so it's not here. We could have seen that 4 is somewhere here. And now 8, we know that there's an 8 somewhere here, there's an 8 somewhere here, so 8 is here. And actually this was ruled out by this. And those two digits are 3 and 9. Here that's not 1 or 2, so it's 7. That's not 2, so that's 1. That's 2, that's 1, that's 3. This can only be 6, this is 9. And 6 here rules out 6 from this cell, so it's 8. Here I need 7 and 5. And this digit does not appear anywhere here, which is not saying that much. I still need 4, 7, and 6 here. But this is not 7, this is not 6, this is not 4. And ta-da! Once again, we get a 4, 5, 6 triple, meaning that the remaining 2 cells here contain a 2 and a 9. And note that this digit here appears nowhere here or there, so it must appear somewhere there. And you see that it can only be a 9. So that's a 2. The missing digits in this region and this extra region are 4, 5, and 7. So there again we have a triple. And oh, by the way, this 9 results the 3, 9 pair at the bottom, so that's an 8. I still need a 9 somewhere here, it can only be here. That's not a 4, so this is 5, 6, or 7. And then, how will we finish all of this? There must be a 2 somewhere in this column. It's here. 4, 5, 6 triple here. So those are 7 and 8. So 7 here, 8 there. And this is 4 or 6. 7 is not here. So 7 appears somewhere here in the region. So this is 4. And this is where everything crumbles now. 7 is here in the box, so that's a 6, that's a 5, that's a 4, and all the rest should yield without any explanation needed, I guess. So this is 5, this is 4, this is 6, this is 5, and then that's a 5, 7, 5, 7, and 6, and that's it. So this finishes the solve of this extra region puzzle, and this finishes my series of walkthroughs about the puzzles that were featured in this whole round, and I'm pretty satisfied with the work I've done. I know this may sound a bit arrogant, but I had a lot of fun setting all those puzzles. I hope you had fun solving them, be it during the contest or after the contest. And I sure hope you appreciate the walkthrough videos. I see you very soon on SudoKanard.